You've heard me talk a little bit around the importance of stocking South Australian brands where possible, and Australian brands if we can't get South Australian brands, and then obviously looking into international brands if we can't get suitable products inside Australia. Antelco, we are very lucky to have a manufacturer in Murray Bridge, which is in South Australia, who make these poly fittings. These are a professional quality poly fitting. They're made from polypropylene. They've got a higher percentage of virgin plastic than their competitors, which means they're not brittle. You can actually feel the difference. So in manufacturing, obviously you've got a tolerance around how much that closes and how big the diameter of that is. And when you're pushing a pipe over it, it can cause a problem if the tolerance of the pipe is at its maximum and the tolerance of its fitting is at a minimum. So there's obviously standards, and Antelco stay within their standards better than the rest. I've sold Antelco since before I opened my shop. If I was still installing, this is all I'd be using. It's all I did use. And I encourage you, if you are looking at doing any irrigation at your house, these are the parts that are holding it all together. You want to make sure, if you want to avoid having blowouts under your turf or under your driveway, that you're using good quality fittings, because a lot of people will overlook this.